In this vlog, you will see some of the best things to do in London, like attractions in Greenwich, sweet treats of a famous cafe Lato, Leaden Hall, Borough Market, Fortnum&Mason, Liberty London, and lots more. So stay tuned and enjoy my vlog. So these are some of the highlights for you to enjoy. If you like this type of content, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone's doing great. So just grab a cup of coffee and make yourself comfy and enjoy my vlog. Leaden Hall Market is a buzzy, beautiful and airy market in the heart of the city of London that boasts a unique selection of boutiques, shops, restaurants and bars. It's a hidden gem, both outdoors and covered, with rich heritage and stunning architecture dating back to the 14th century. Now I'm walking towards the Royal Exchange. It's a shopping area with an incredible selection of luxury brands, including the finest jewelry, watches, wine, leather goods and more. People come here to relax after finishing their work, enjoy cocktails and have lots of fun with their friends. So now I was just walking around in the Piccadilly area of London, enjoying the hustle and bustle of the city. There were lots of tourists as usual. It's a very popular area for shopping and leisure. Piccadilly Circus is an incredible place that truly captures the vibrant spirit of London. Its pulsating energy with the bright neon signs and the constant flow of people is simply fascinating. I'm always tempted by the colorful and pretty shops, so I went inside this shop. I could see here lots of chocolate, gifts items. So that's my favorite cafe Lato. The cafe looks so inviting and it's beautifully decorated. I just love the fancy decoration. I have a sweet tooth, so I was highly tempted by these sweet treats. The choice was endless, so it was really hard to decide which one to enjoy with my cup of coffee. If you're a cake lover, then this place is a haven for you. Actually, all the cakes are on display in the window. The quality is top notch. I tried out the pistachio rose cake. The sponge was so soft and juicy. Overall, the taste was excellent. Highly recommended. Then I came out and started walking towards Fortnum&Mason's. Fortnum&Mason is one of my favorite stores. Let's take a tour and enjoy some of my favorite departments. Let's go inside. Let's explore different varieties of chocolates, fruit-dipped chocolates, filled truffles, fudges, and much more. The choice is endless really. So these chocolates are handcrafted, prepared with the finest ingredients, bursting with irresistible flavors, are perfect as a gift for someone special. So this place is a haven for chocolate lovers. I was so delighted to see lots of chocolates. I think these fruits are just for the decoration purposes. They are not real. So let's explore their teaware and tableware department. one can see that their quality is top notch. If you're looking for luxury shopping and high end items, then you're at the right place. You will be spoiled for choice. The choice is endless. Everything is presented beautifully here. Here is a lovely collection of luxury scarves along with some pretty jewelry. So, Fortnum&Mason is one of the most iconic stores located in Piccadilly Circus, London, with a rich history and a reputation for producing high-end luxury goods. People travel from far and wide to purchase some of the most sought-after products. Now I'm walking towards Liberty, London. Let's take a tour of it. Liberty London is a Tudor revival building filled with high-end fashion and luxury homeware, with its own fabric line as well. It's a beautiful flower shop right at the entrance of the store. I'm always fascinated by fresh flowers. It uplifts my senses. So let's explore the luxury tableware and other decorative items to beautify your home. Oh my goodness, this white set is one of my favorites. The quality looks amazing and to be treasured for years to come. These plates are so pretty and artistic. These could beautify any dining table. If you are interested in any of these items, you can always check the prices online. So these are the beautiful and pretty table mats. Discover more stunning collection of dinner plates, mugs and much more. You are just spoiled for the choice. Such a joy to walk around here. People who are fond of crockery could stay here for a very long time and can't be bored. Such an iconic store, and each item is just like a piece of art. So these are the creative wall plates to brighten any living room. It will give a creative look to any room. If you do have an artistic flair and you're looking for a high-end brand, then it's just suitable for you. So, welcome to the Borough Market. It's a historic market in central London with an emphasis on high quality fresh food. So, A few decades ago, it was a wholesale market, serving the greengrocers of South London. Now it acts as a beacon for sustainable food production, short supply chains, and social connection, drawing visitors from far and wide. Borough Market consists of three main areas: three ground squares, larger producers and merchants, Green Market, small specialist produce traders, and Borough Market Kitchen, street food traders. Wow, that looks so yummy and tasty. Lots of sweet treats, really. So, surrounding the market, you will find a complimentary blend of restaurants, bars, and shops. Wow, lots of pretty plants to cherish and enjoy. So, the weather seems to be a bit cloudy on that day, but I decided to get on an Uber boat towards Greenwich to show you the most beautiful attractions there. Such a unique experience to see London attractions and famous landmarks from Uber boat journey. I enjoyed it so much and highly recommend to anyone coming into London. So this is Cutty-Sark. Cutty-Sark is the world's only surviving extreme clipper. It's a Greenwich famous attraction and the ticket price is £22. So this is the chapel of St. Peter and St. Paul, part of the old Royal Naval College. This chapel is a beautiful and peaceful place to visit, still an active place of worship. In Tudor times, the resident monarchs of the palace would have worshipped at the original chapel. Oh my goodness, just look at the amazing architecture. Now we are just standing outside the Queen's house. So, Queen's House is a former royal residence in the London Borough of Greenwich, which presently serves as a public art gallery. It was built between 1616 and 1635. You can enjoy great art for free. Royal portraits, seascapes, and cutting-edge sculptures are just some of the masterpieces to see. This is the Armada portrait of Elizabeth I. See the iconic painting of the Tudor Queen, one of the treasures of Royal Museums, Greenwich. So here you will see world-famous artworks, captivating architecture, and fascinating royal history. Whenever you come to Greenwich, please don't miss this attraction. A visit to the Queen's House is a must as part of any day out in Greenwich. Admire the classical design of the house, one of the most important buildings in English architecture. Step through the doors and find yourself in the impressive Great Hall. Personally, I love this part of the house. I was so much fascinated by this beautiful sea art. It's so mesmerizing. Let's enjoy some beautiful highlights of National Maritime Museum. Discover some epic stories of exploration. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. So, this museum is a part of Royal Museums Greenwich, a network of museums in the Maritime Greenwich World Heritage Site. The National Maritime Museum is the largest museum of its kind in the world. You can learn more about Britain's encounters with the world at sea, the Royal Navy, and the life of great British hero, Admiral Horatio Nelson. You can see here beautiful models of ship, lots of history, and beautiful artwork. If you like this type of content, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you. All attractions are located within easy walking distance of each other, within a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Katisa can be explored by walking along the many decks and passageways. This is the Old Borough. It's a very charming pub. I just love its interior and had a cup of coffee with a brownie. So here you will see some more glimpses of the National Maritime Museum. Actually, it's a well worth visit for anyone interested in Greenwich and the UK's maritime history. Entrance is free, although donations are invited. So let's take a tour of Greenwich town, and here you will see some vintage shops. I want to show you this shop in particular. It's called Dark Sugars. Here you will see handcrafted chocolates, truffles, and vegan treats. When you walk into Dark Sugars, you will be immediately transported to West Africa by taking in the aroma of roasting cocoa beans, admiring the African imported decor. At Dark Sugars, it's all about the whole experience. Just come here and make yourself happy.